Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Chipotle chicken salad. First thing we gotta do is make the dressing. So, to a blender, I've added 2 tablespoons of honey, followed by 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, now it's time to get some chipotle peppers out of the adobo sauce. And you want to add at least 2 peppers, but if you want this spicier, you can always add more. I think I went with 3. Well, 1 was kind of small, so I suppose 2.5, 3. And then you want to add at least 2 tablespoons of the adobo sauce. And then you want to add 2 cloves of garlic. Don't worry, you don't need to mince them because, again, everything's going to get blended together anyway. Then, just some salt and pepper and a half a cup of olive oil, and we should be ready to make our dressing. Pop the top on. Turn everything on and blend away. Blend for, I don't know, about a minute, maybe less. And then just transfer into one of these condiment bottles here. You can pick these up at any Walmart or Target. And yeah, pop it in the fridge till we're ready to make our salad. Okay, now let's start assembling the salad. What we have here is some nice hearts of romaine. What we have here is some of that marsala barbecue chicken I made in a former video. Link to that will be in the description below. And then we'll add some cheddar cheese. And some wonton strips. Just for a little crunch. And some feta cheese. Finally, a good dousing of that chipotle salad dressing that we made. And that's it. So, chipotle chicken salad. Done.